This was from November of 2012. It's a nice little 6-pointer I shot on the property. We're hunting.
Come on, let's go then. Let's make a video.
All right.
Let's make a video.
Someone was taking their garbage out. It fell out, and the coyotes and everything else got to it.
That sucks. Let's get a video.
Ooh, there's a deer. There's a deer.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, but it looks like...
Stop. Slow down over here a little bit. Go up a little more. Stop right there.
You can't even wear shorts out here.
No.
You get covered in ticks.
I only wore the shorts for the ride out.
Yeah.
Jeans upstairs.
It's 6:30. We gotta go mow the lawn. Good morning. Oh God.
What's wrong?
My head hurts. I didn't sleep.
You didn't sleep?
No, not at all.
You were sleeping when I came down.
No, I was awake. I heard you.
You were snoring.
I was awake and snoring. I heard you. Pop Tart. The new towel's nice.
The new towel.
Tablecloth. So mowing the grass first?
I was gonna ask you what you want to do first.
Or whatever you want to do.
Maybe we should go underneath that house and see what the fuck we need.
Yeah.
Cause, not for nothing, I could mow the grass with that lawnmower if it's fucking 500 degrees outside.
Right.
But I don't know if I wanna go under that house if it's 90 degrees out. Looks like a graham cracker, my friend.
Yeah. Thank you.
Honey, Mom, let me get you a napkin.
It's a whole meal for a mouse.
Really?
I'm scared of mice.
You're like obsessed about mice.
Because I want to kill them.
Why?
I'm going to try this again. It broke apart. I don't think I got all of it.
What's the definition of insanity?
You?
Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different outcome.
That would be OCD.
Doing the same thing over and over again expecting a different outcome?
Yeah.
No. And Google it. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different outcome.
We're under the house. And everything looks okay down there. We just got to jack up about a couple of inches on one side, which ain't bad.
You got like a one?
Yeah.
That's good.
Who's the dead mouse?
Right in front of you.
Yeah, there he is. I put my hand on him. That's where we gotta jack up.
Move the mouse?
Yeah, I kicked it. It's like the Egyptians when they had to roll out those big stones to make the pyramids.
Yeah, I know. The Egyptians didn't do what the Jews did.
So we're like Jewish right now.
Right now we're Jewish.
Oh, jeez.
Working on a Saturday.
On the holy day.
On the holy day.
That roll over the mouse.
No. I promise.
All right.
Where's the mouse? Should have left it where it was. We knew where it was before.
He's right over there to the left. Just bury him with dirt. Here. Roll it a little bit.
I got it. I'll flip it another time. Relax.
Watch, we're gonna get it right to where we gotta go, and it's gonna crack. I need the bottle jack.
Here, do you want to use this to span the two beams?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Okay. Yeah, all right. Fuck you.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, all right. Lying sack of shit. I don't want to get credit. Get credit is due. All right, I'm going to get the bottle jack. Because that's what I like to do. Crawl in and out of this hole. All right.
Oh boy. Give me that. Give me that other one.
What other one?
That other block. Yeah.
You fucker.
I can put it right on top of this. We don't even need the.
You don't even need the what?
If we put the other block on this and I jack it up a little bit, all we need is a little piece of wood.
Oh, that mouse is still moving, dude. He's still alive.
Get the fuck out of here.
How many, man? He just wiggled his tail a little bit.
Probably blew on it. What'd you say? There's a warning device on the jack?
There's a warning label on the jack.
What's the warning label on the jack say?
The warning label on the jack says, this product, the paint on this product contains a chemical known in the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects.
That's good. We don't live
Just-
in California.
Just be careful.
No, we don't live in California, so we're good.
That's a dumb response.
Well, birth defects we're not worried about. Unless you can
It's
get
too late.
pregnant.
It's too late for you. I know.
Fuck you. Right. No.
All right. So what do you need me over there for? So we both get fucking knocked out if the jack comes fucking flying out?
All right. Go ahead. Wait. Okay. Okay, stop. Keep going. Stop. See if the floor's up. No, you want me to go out there?
Why don't you go out there?
All right.
This is about, it's less than a half an inch in this corner. Because if I measure it here too.
That's assuming the table's level.
Wow, that's way short, dude.
This is the 11-inch one.
Oh. Here, knock it in with this one. Do me a favor.
What?
Listen to me. Give it one more. Yeah. I'm afraid with all that knocking, you're gonna knock that fucking jack right out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Motherfucker.
Give it another crank. That's it. Keep it golden, pony boy.
Wanna go look?
No.
What are we doing? The other one over here?
Yeah, the one on this side, dude.
That I think we just need one. No. We still need to push it up a little. So we finished that. And now we had to, it went up about 3/4 of an inch, so we shimmed it. Now we gotta just do this one section and the house should be level, right? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you what we did. So we jacked up that part of the house. This was the existing. We need to lift this about 3/4 of an inch too. We'll see what happens. Kind of bows in the middle. I could actually see it bowing. You motherfucker.
What?
Look. Did I say that loud?
Yeah.
Sorry. I didn't mean to. You know I love you like a brother I never had. There's just days I wish I was only child again.
You using that steel plate again?
Yeah. Does it look straight?
Yeah.
No. I'm talking
Yeah, it looks straight.
from there too.
Yeah. I mean, it looks straight. It looks, Pete, the wood's cut crooked.
Okay, hold it like that. Watch your fingers. Okay, we're good. We're even here now.
Yeah. Just torch the jack.
I'm gonna have some water. You want me to bring out some water?
No, I'll have a beer, Mary.
Who's Mary?
You.
Why?
You're like a Mary.
All right, I'll have the beer too. Francesca. The floor's a mess, but you could tell it's a lot. There's no play on the floor anymore. It's raised. It looks leveled. I think we're good. So this is how we're changing the blades on this. They're both bent or just one's bent?
Well,
If one's just bent, just change one.
yeah, the other one is still bent. We fixed it the last time. It's still a little bit bent.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. You gotta take a look and see what you think.
It's not that bad. I could straighten that out.
Yeah, we can straighten it out. Matter of fact, now I know we can straighten it out. We got that fucking jack.
Okay. Just bear with me. It's the same blade, yeah, everything's the same. This is like a Paiute deadfall.
Yeah, I know. If this thing lets go, I'm gonna lose an arm. That one's a little bent. I'm thinking of leaving it. What do you think?
Whatever you want to do, I don't care. Is this the one we straightened out, or is that the one we straightened out?
No, the one that we straightened out is over there.
Is that one that's in there?
Is the one that's on the other side. Yeah.
Okay, so leave it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a. You see, like this comes flush with the bottom of the cage
Yeah.
or the tray.
The other one's just a little bit
The
lower.
one's a little bit lower.
How much? An inch?
Nah, not even an inch. Yeah, maybe about an inch.
If it's easy to change it out. I'll heat this up with a map gas. Torch with map gas, and I'll straighten it out when we get home.
Actually, if I got the right set, if I could make the right jig,
How much was this?
$53 for the pair. I mean, it's worth it to straighten them out.
Yeah. Like that. Instead, it looks like this. Oh, all right.
I
Now
still got it, dude.
we're
I still
cooking with
fucking got
gas.
it. I still got it.
So these two you don't need.
This goes on here. That goes in there. That goes in there.
That's it.
Yeah.
Almost.
Start pulling a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. Go ahead.
You almost had it there. So I sat down, right, and I saw that I ass dialed you, and you sneaky wife, you sat there for 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes, listening what was going around me. What? I didn't say nothing.
You just sit.
Are you done?
Could tell when you
Did
really.
your fucking
Could
break
tell-
over?
can really tell. I can really tell when you don't want to do something.
No, I don't want to do this. I really don't want to. You know, I'm not built to be a landscaper.
No, I know you pull.
I might be short, like a landscaper, but I'm not built for it. My God, that thing still hurts when it hit me right in the side. Right, it got me right in the stitches. Got me right in the stitches. That
You
one.
go to the hospital?
No, I'm not bleeding. Am I bleeding? You see blood?
No.
You know what I thought it was? I thought it was that plastic piece that snapped off the weed whack and stabbed me in the stomach. I said, "Oh my God, I'm dying."
That thing worked out great, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty durable. It'll definitely, if I go slow, it'll cut through small.
Do you believe I haven't started that weed whacker in 4 years?
I know. I got the video of us pulling. There's those again. Yep. Heard something in the woods. Like, it sounded like barking. Like real close. Like yelping.
Oh, dear, right there.
Yep.
She was bedded down in the fucking grass, in the tall grass.
And there you go. Same spot we saw him last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, where was she? Over there? Bedded right there?
Right there.
Yep.
Right in there. She was bedded right there. Actually, there's probably a couple of them. We probably missed them around the turn. Coming around the turn.
Yeah. This is our favorite store. Well, my favorite store. Let's see if we can find the brush hog. How much they want for something like that?
This is 8.
It's a big ass tiller.
These are lawnmowers. I don't think these are classified as brush hogs.
No. How much?
I don't know. This is like the hang-ons we have without the bar in the front.
Yeah. Looks comfortable. I could actually see this being on that. Haha, it's open. This is nice.
It's nice for what?
It's nice for... How is it?
It's nice. But nice for what?
The property.
For a house?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Bedroom.
Okay, so you got 1 bedroom up here.
Yeah.
Okay. So come downstairs.
Kitchen?
Okay.
No. Oh, you can put the kitchen here. Kitchen?
No. Stop. You're wrong already. Okay. So, kitchen here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Little living area over here, right? Little couch or TV under the table, under the window or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the bathroom go?
Well, I was thinking this. Bathroom right here. Bathroom right here.
I don't know if that's enough room for a bathroom.
How's that one? That's nice too. $8,250. Put this on piers. So we ended our day. We ate steak, we fixed the floor, fixed the lawnmower, fixed the weed whacker, mowed 2 big lawns.
Yeah.
And now we're ending the day watching
17 likes since I showed my
Kingpin.
You're not gonna be able to put that on.
Why? No, I can put that on.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm not showing the movie. I just said the name. And we had like a box of Swedish fish and Raisinets and beer. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Last night, something was trying to eat its way out of that wood. Trying to figure out what it is. Angel said he sees something. Like a hole? Is it a hole or something, Ange? Let's see what we got. What's that?
Look upside. You can see,
Oh,
all,
yeah.
you can see all the insulation being yanked out and everything.
Yep. Yep. That's where he's coming in from.
I told you what this house really needs is a good resealing.
Yeah.
That's what I see what you're saying. Like the eaves have to, but there's grating on there, so nothing
Yeah.
can get in.
Well, whatever it is, it kind of ain't the wood. Yep. It's probably a chipmunk. You know what we could do? Put a glue trap up there.
A glue trap?
Yeah, once he comes out.
I don't want a glue trap.
Look at this nice day out. Wow, it's nice out. Whatever it is, it's in there nesting. It's probably a chipmunk. Is it Gary?
Yeah, get
Trying to aim it between us.
Just don't put the parts on the meat.
That's all the time.
Me? You got the wrong guy, dude. I don't eat like that.
Well, I'm gonna
You're the guy
cut
that-
it when you're chewing?
You're the guy that's got to fucking eat every 2 hours like an old person.
I can't. It's my diet.
Told you yesterday, that's why your teeth are wearing out.
Old people don't eat as much. I think you stop eating when you get old.
Your mind doesn't work right. It believes certain things.
You know.
Okay? You're
Believe certain
You're
things.
clean. You'll leave dishes in the sink.
The dishes in it?
There's dishes in there. There's in the
Okay,
dishes,
well,
dirty
no.
bottles in the sink, empty bottles in the sink. When you wash the dishes,
There are 3 bottles in it.
half the time there's still crud on the fucking utensils. You're not clean.
I do that on purpose.
You're average.
You know that,
You're
I
not
do that.
dirty, but you're average.
Unbelievable.
You're clean.
I wash my hands before and after I take a piss.
Yeah, but that's okay. But you don't wash them before and after you eat.
Yeah,
No, you don't.
Yeah, don't.
You didn't wash your hands this morning before
Yeah,
you
right.
ate. You just said 2 minutes ago I didn't wash. You're right. I didn't wash my hands before I had my cookies this morning. Now you want to flip the
But
script.
then my hands were clean to begin with.
Yeah, from sleeping all night and drooling all over them, and who knows if you scratched your ass in your sleep, and then you eat your cookies this morning. You're not clean like you say you're clean.
You're fucking disgusting.
You're not clean
You're
like
fucking disgusting.
you're not clean like you say you're clean. You're clean.
Want a cookie? I'll hand you a cookie.
You're clean.
I slept like this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look, I pour this in the sink. I'll wash my hands.
Yeah. Listen, I don't care. It doesn't make any difference to me if you eat your cookies with, shit on your fingertips from scratching your ass all night. But
You fucking suck. There's no sink. There's no dishes in here.
there's all dirty bottles in there, dude.
Problem solved. There's no fucking beer bottles in here.
Look at this. What? How many wine bottles are we gonna collect? Oh, save the wine bottles. I want the wine bottles. They're not washed or anything. They're just sitting here forever. Take them home today. Fucking up my kitchen.
He's getting on my case
Yeah, look at this.
because I recycle.
No, you don't recycle. Because you're a bootlegger and you want to make your own homemade wine.
Yeah, I make my own homemade wine. But I'm not a bootlegger. I'm a hunter.